So what are we ready to do here?
We are rescuing Matt's helicopter with a new battery, new camera, flashlight, all sorts of improvements. So we think maybe under this section now.
We may have to just do a recon.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, let's look at what the video screen shows.
Nice. No, the light is money. Don't see it.
Might be the other direction.
Oh, this way.
We are observing at
Can't
the
see
claw
anything.
and the camera view from the claw over the beam for this rescue operation.
No evidence. Must be further one way or the other, but
I think maybe look further that way. We lost the signal.
oh, there it is. Wait.
We see something, but it's not a helicopter.
What? It's gotta be up there. It's gotta be up there, but.
There it is.
Oh, it's right that up.
Oh, I could just fly away. You can be able to reach it from that side.
Can't see it. Nope.
I got the light at,
I shouldn't have expected anything.
You're right on top of it.
oh, there it is.
You may have to push it to one side or the other.
It's quality.
It's a very, very difficult operation.
Come back. Oh, is
There
it
you
just
go.
black? Is it grab the... Okay, no, no, no.
Ha! Almost there.
There. That's fantastic.
The rescued heli.